math instructional video all about 3D shapes. Our goal for today is I can classify and sort a variety of 3D shapes. There are two words that we need to know the meaning of in that objective: classify and sort. Now, they kind of mean the same thing. When we classify something, that means that we put it with a group or a class. That's why it's classify. So, for example, if I have two different types of chocolate, I might classify this chocolate as dark chocolate and this chocolate as milk chocolate. I'm putting them in their own classes. I'm saying what kind of chocolate they are. That's what we do when we classify 3D shapes. We're saying what kind of 3D shape it is, what 3D shape class it belongs in. The word sort means to put things together based on similar attributes. So when we're sorting 3D shapes, that means that we're going to put all of the cones together, all of the cubes together, all of the cylinders together, and all of the spheres together. We're putting 3D shapes with other 3D shapes that have similar attributes. That is what it means to sort. In order to model classifying and sorting 3D shapes for y'all, I went around my house and I found some 3D solids. Now I know that they are 3D solids because they are not flat. They have depth and volume. So we are going to classify and sort all of these 3D solids that I found in my own home. All right, let's classify and sort these 3D solids. First, we're going to start with this can of Crisco. I want you to look at it. What 3D solid do you think it is? I see that it's got a circle on the top and a circle on the bottom and parallel sides connecting those two circles. I'm going to classify this as a cylinder. I'm going to sort it over here and I'll put all the other cylinders with this can of Crisco. What about this ball of yarn? What 3D solid is this ball of yarn? If you said sphere, you're correct. It looks like a ball. It is a sphere. So I've classified it. Now I'm going to put it right here, and this will be where I sort all the spheres to. All right. Now this is a cup that I got from one of my students. What do you think this is? What 3D solid would you classify this as? I would say that this 3D solid is a cylinder. Where does it need to go if it's a cylinder? Does it need to go over here with the ball of yarn? Or should I sort it with the can of Crisco? I should sort it with the can of Crisco because sorting means I put things together based on similar attributes, and both of these are cylinders. Now, this is a cone. It's not an exact cone, but I see that it's a circle on one side and it comes to a point on the other. It's the closest thing that I could find that was shaped like a cone. I've classified it as a cone. Now I'm going to put it right here, and that's where I'm going to sort my cones into. The next 3D solid I'm going to classify and sort is this tissue box. This tissue box has squares on all sides. It actually has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares. I know that this is a cube. I've classified it, and I'm going to put all my cubes right here when I sort. Next 3D solid. This is a cone. I know because it has a circle on one side and it comes to a point. It's not an exact cone, but it was really hard to find cones in my own home. Where should I sort this? Should I sort it over here? Should I sort it with this ball of yarn? No, I should put it with the other cones. All right, a couple more to go. This is my dog's bouncy ball. What 3D solid is this? Can you classify it? That's right, it's a sphere. So we're going to sort it into the sphere category. 2 more 3D solids to go. This is a candle. What 3D solid is this candle? If you said cylinder, you're right. So I'm going to sort it with the other cylinders. And last but not least, this container that has lots of yummy candy inside. Ooh. What 3D solid is this container that holds such good candy? Is it a sphere? No, it's not a sphere because it's not round. Is it a cone? No, it's not a cone. I don't see a circle coming to a point. But you know what I do see? I see squares all over this container. This is a cube. So I'm going to put it with the other cube. And now you see I've classified and sorted all of the 3D solids that I picked up. I have my cubes, my cylinders, my cones, and my spheres. So today we learned how to classify and sort 3D shapes. I want to encourage you to go around your house, find your own 3D solids, and try to classify and sort them. Which 3D solids are cubes? Which ones are cylinders? Which ones are spheres? And which ones are cones? Can you find more cones than Miss Hernandez did in your home? Have a fun time exploring this objective. Have a great week and happy learning.